Atlas CCV 8x8 in 2026, the rise of a modular combat beast. Imagine a vehicle that combines the firepower of a tank, the agility of a recon car, and the brain of an AI supercomputer. Now stop imagining, because it's already here. In the shifting landscape of 21st century warfare, where technology evolves faster than ever and threats emerge from every angle, one vehicle has risen to the challenge with unprecedented versatility, the Atlas CCV 8x8. And in 2026, this futuristic platform is no longer just a prototype. It's fully operational, smarter, deadlier, and more connected than ever before. The upgraded Atlas CCV 2026 is not just a wheeled armored vehicle. It is a multi-role command and combat system that serves as a frontline hunter, drone controller, and fire support unit, all in one mobile package. Key enhancements include AI combat management system, real-time decision-making, automatic threat prioritization, and multi-target engagement. Autonomous 120mm turret. Supports programmable ammunition, airburst, heat, APF-SDS. For maximum tactical flexibility. Side-mounted ATGM launchers plus loitering munitions bay. Capable of launching drone missiles for beyond line-of-sight strikes. Panoramic 360 degrees thermal plus LiDAR sensor fusion. Seamlessly integrates with friendly drones and air surveillance assets. Hybrid diesel silent mobility system. Enables stealth operations and fast insertions across terrain types. Modular composite armor with reactive and active protection system, APS. Adapts to mission threat level. Satellite-linked digital command node. Turns the vehicle into a forward battlefield command post. Whether deployed in the Middle East's harsh deserts, European forests, or urban megacities, the Atlas CCV 8x8 is ready to fight. Its 8x8 all-terrain suspension and adaptive traction control give it the ability to climb 60% gradients, traverse water obstacles, survive IED blast, support amphibious landing ops. With internal capacity for 6+1 crew and battlefield drones or cargo pods, the Atlas can be converted from IFV to Recon Command Hub to fire support system in just a few hours. In a world where modern warfare is defined by speed, networks, and adaptability, the Atlas CCV 8x8 stands tall as a combat platform of the future. It doesn't just keep up with the fight, it leads it. Because in 2026, war is no longer just about armor and guns. It's about who sees first, strikes smarter, and survives longer.